Does size matter? I am on a mission to really get clarity and to break this down in regards to law firms. So often I will talk to attorneys and they'll start the call with, well, I'm just a small law firm. Or I'll talk to candidates, like a candidate I spoke to yesterday. I'm like, tell me why you're looking for a new opportunity. Why are you looking to leave your current firm? She's like, well, we're a small firm. Like, time out. You have 9 shareholders, partners within this law firm. You have, what is your definition of size of firm? Attorneys, I want you, and team members, I want you really to get clear. Pause and stop saying you're a small law firm. What is the definition of a small law firm? What's the definition of a mid-sized firm? What's the definition of big firm? And why does it matter? Who does it matter to? And what are you striving for? So let me ask you, is one of my favorite clients, Leslie, a small law firm? Last year, they made $428,000. They were excited about that. 20% growth, what have you. Always had this dream of becoming a $1 million law firm. Like, heck, let's have fun with this. We are going to make $1 million in 2023. We hired a few people, some overseas in the Philippines, some full-time people within there. It was 1.5 attorneys within the firm. By definition, yeah, small. Great. 1 office, small, I guess. 5 employees, small, I guess. The goal was $1 million. We grew it to $1 million, and we went over by $39,000. The goal was by the 20th of December. We hit it by the 18th of December. Is this a small law firm? They're in action. They're strategic. They exceeded their revenue goals. They had controlled growth. The attorney was taking vacations. They closed the office on Fridays to have it as growth days and half days. So whose definition is this small law firm? What is your definition of small, medium, big, and why does size matter? Does it matter? It matters to you. It matters to your family. It matters to your team. It matters to your client. And what matters is your mindset around it, your language around it. So stop saying we're just a small law firm or we're a small law firm. My invitation is just eradicate that language. Small law firm means nothing unless you say it does. So what's your definition of success for you? What's your definition of growth or scaling or what have you? Get really clear on that for you, for yourself, for your family as an entrepreneur and business owner. Enroll your team and have a conversation about what growth means to you. And you can be way more profitable than a big law firm, a Magic Circle law firm, a White Shoe law firm, and having fun and making money, making impact, and making a difference and still be the biggest law firm because how your perception around it, your excitement around it, and the difference that you're making. So change your language around it. Get really clear on what success means for you and remove these titles of small, big, mid-sized firm and just stay intentional and anchored to your goals. And your success is your definition of what that is. Your definition aligned with your team. And then, from my opinion, someone like Leslie, that's a big law firm.